Bashment.
Serious officer, no phone anybody has a phone everyone has been but make sure that anyone find out phone that you are trouble. Yes, officer. Oh, you can't tell me this man. Yeah, man, get the phone, man. Tell me something. What did I say about? Why not call that man for you? We can't get away with it. Every time I can't pay high school, man, still on the rock to do the duty. That man got the money.
I'm sure it's okay, Angel. She got $12 million and he said she should be in trouble.
I like to let me one with good program. So you want me to speak?
I heard she dead.
Boy, I think man is homeless here, but sure. Hey, Judy, the police want to hear me. The police want. You must send that number to me over there.
Yeah, but Lord, he also said that he's not about to be true. I heard.
After that, mighty.
Come on, let's drink on the bar, man. Yeah, man. Yes, I will see you. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. They broke my bar. They broke my bar. Whoa. Watch out. Don't leak out all the bathroom window. All this night, I kind of flush it. Oh my God! No! Oh. Watch out! Then drink out all the liquor out of the. See them there, I can't keep it down. All the money they go there draw 100,000. No man! I call the police. Have to call the police. Hello? May I say hello on the phone and ring same way? Eh? Hello? Yes. Could I speak to 119? Yes, sir. I would like to speak to 119. Oh, you mean you don't need 119? Don't you sound it tell? No, so they say. Anytime you want, call 119, I'm a call. Oh, you mean, move. Yes, so your face never gorilla. I can't see your damn face through the phone. Eh? You don't name so? Well, all right. Put me on to Sergeant 119 then. Them broke my place, man. My bar. Same place I can't trust bro, man, up your feet. So what? One another vehicle? The two vehicle broke down? Ride your bicycle then! I said them time now, they call and the vehicle broke down. I tell you, see? Man. Oh my God. My cheese, my money cheese. My money cheese. Boy, my money cheese. $12.5 million, I'm never tell Shebadda so them thief and gone with me. Don't move! You have the right to remain silent. Anything you...
Oh, there's table, Jesus.
You have the right to remain silent. Stand up! Mr. Thief, sir. Let me tell you something, you see?
Turn on.
Me not turn on, you know. Because me no want to see me dead. The last man who seen dead of heart attack and dead before he died. Look at Mr. Thief, sir. You don't need you. Me call police, me call you.
Where you go with that Bashi?
Mr. Shibby, I have something to tell you. I see I come inside and see the bar broke. And about 25 man back up the sun. And everyone have 5 guns. I'm bam, but you can't see me. You know? I like that, eh? I wonder, you know, no man beside me. Yes. You see all the 100,000 when you give me for buy stock, then gone with your 100,000.
No man, 900,000.
Your 100,000.
Wow, money, but the thing
They left them phone. The thief then left them phone.
May I take it from me?
No, not take it. You know, so you can't catch them, you can't hold them. I go and call it, and anybody who wants them, you lock them up.
Wait, that shit a vibrate. You answer it, I'm afraid.
Hello? Yes, this is Sophia. You remember me? Simply say leave the phone. You're coming from? Hello? 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 The brute hung up the phone. And you never hung up with him.
I want them to send my sign.
What do you mean?
So we should have buy next one, expand the business like how we get squeezed up.
Where did you get money from? Your money?
Come to wife a manager one bank, we can't use her, you know.
You mean Gloria?
They know how much wife him have them no cute.
Oh, you know easy. You serious?
But she is serious as a demon on your tongue, Sergeant.
You're really serious.
Control the corporal should be over.
Corporal Shimmy over speak your mind or from all your peace.
You're asked to do a pickup at the airport.
What you say?
I repeat, you're asked to do a pickup at the airport.
Wrong smelly, wrong smelly.
Whatever you are to pick up a deportee, one Abraham Pilot, aka Alpha Dog, over.
Over, one Abraham Pilot, a.k.a. Afada. Then I will get that the visa.
Whatever.
Then I oh, she full of whatever so. Whenever one thing I tell her which part of my flesh she come tear.
Corporal, I urge that. Over.
Volume spoil.
You're serious. You're serious. No, they're serious. Half a dog. Half a dog. Half a dog.
Are you get the call, Bashi?
Hey, when you go pick up half a dog, where you going to read him?
If it's a poodle, me I go give my mother.
Yeah, idiot! It's a convict that is at the court, please. They must send you back here. Yeah, he is a policeman. I don't know with it. Yeah. You saw him pick up my airport, and you pass the sea. Just carry my deep part of the sea, hold him down and drown him. Say him try to escape and hang himself.
Didn't go make it over to the say that this bite here really Bashi.
Hey, oh, when you get the girl for go? Because I'm not staying there.
No, she called me. She's another story by herself. And she called me today and said she don't have no clothes. There's a cheap blouse in the here.
So when she come and she have to come and
No, no, relax. Your body not innocent pressure kill people.
half a dog. You hear from the one, Trevor, him?
And that you for talk about your people them coming like me and there is a dungeon. How about them call me and say them are sending that photographs to rehabilitate the woman there. And when we say rehabilitate, you know what I mean?
How she call you again? Drip us.
Control to corporate. What is wrong with this policeman, man? Me tell about him more. Control to corporate should be over.
How about she be over? Speak your mind, you forever hold your peace. Where you are, lady?
Corporate, where have you been, sir?
Me there use the bathroom.
Corporate, oh, you say lie, man. You never stop telling lies. You don't realize you don't tell lies that you've been telling is putting a space between your teeth.
Hello, leave when your man out, when your man out a brand, you have night cold every time, and this is girl.
Whatever. We have a crisis at hand.
What is it?
Alpha dog is on the loose. You hear me? Alpha dog is on the loose.
Bash in the pool like that, do a woman again. Boy, she beat you down.
Where you are here? You know Trevor dumb girl from Kingston. Where you are here? How you rate ya? How dare you man? How you take bus? Me know you can't talk, but say just
Me never really dumb, sir. Me just know what to like talk.
Attack, attack. So where you are? You forgot she can't talk now. Where you are there? No Kingston left you, eh? So how you find him?
I'll come follow the bartending work, sir.
Bartending work? After me not tell nobody nothing, I'm gonna advertise it. How you not spread something me out for? Me want anybody for it? Me tell someone how you hear about that?
Shebadda tell me.
Oh, yes. Shebadda, tell me, say, man, are you? All right, sit down, let me interview you.
Boy, you know me already, sir.
When me didn't know you, you was a dumb girl. Now that you can talk, he's a different girl. So sit down. You want something to drink?
Well,
Water. Because liquor too expensive.
no,
You can't get no liquor. To throw something for myself. So tell me, you and Trevor still there?
no, sir.
Trevor, you still there?
No, sir.
Trevor call you?
No.
You call Trevor?
No.
You have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, well, that is good for me. You see? Because if I employ you, I don't want nobody call you anyway. Yes, hello, no, and give me liquor. You understand that? Good. Where's the last place you want?
Well, but you got a caterer in school.
Yes, yes.
Then, work on a fast food restaurant for 3 years.
Yes, yes.
Then, I lose the walk.
Yes.
Right after you got prison.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
Who go a prison?
You, sir.
You see me that person? Are you put that person in? You didn't that person when you said that person? Which part of you said that person?
But if in the newspaper say I got prison for fraud, sir.
You see me in the newspaper? You see me in the newspaper? I got prison for fraud? No, how long I talk to me in the newspaper? How long I talk to me in the newspaper? You see me in the newspaper? I'm a doctor. This interview done. Finish. Over. Chew me door.
Just ask me one more question, sir.
Me say, the interview done. Finish. Over. Chew me door.
Just ask me one more question, sir.
I want to this. Me say, the interview done. Finish. Over. Chew me door.
I can't afford to go back at town and I want the all man, yeah, man.
All man like your man. You want me to ask you one more question?
Yes, sir.
How long you wait from when you come in?
Remember.
You get the work. You get the work.
We get the work.
Eh? Because any you remember, you don't remember for rob me. Come here. Let me show you what to do. You say that you're coming, always close this behind. You see? I don't know who I follow you. This is the wash area. Your glass and the towels and all that. Good? Listen to me. I don't spend my money to buy expensive bleach. I go down to the hospital and make some leftover detal. Understand? No, that is it. You have the top shelf, the middle shelf, and the bottom shelf. There are some people who come inside to buy. I'm going to show you there. You see my friend or something? Anytime him coming, no matter you see him catch boats with him girl, at same time, he just show off. Him, bottom shelf. At all times, remember him, bottom shelf. You see my friend, eh? He look innocent, middle shelf for him. That brethren over there, so now, let us strike this up. Anytime him coming, top shelf. I'm a brother. Don't wear that cover cap.
It's too tall.
Wear a mini skirt. You understand? I just in a stool here. Anytime him coming here, we climb up on the stool. Top shelf, sir. He spend half every cent, don't want to get nothing. Right. You know my name?
Yeah, your name is Bashment.
Listen, from now on, you don't know my name. You never hear my name, I never see my name. You understand what I say?
Yes, Mr. Bashment.
Listen to me. You see, anytime you come inside here, anybody walk through that door, you see, and ask you, who you work with, me no know. Who employ you, me no know. Who pay you, me no know. So where you are here, me no know. Why you can't work hard though? The last girl I see, now my eyes pretty as you name Angel. What you name?
The devil.
We're not ready to go ahead here.
So, Mr. Bashment, you know the way I arrange around here?
I'm not answering. When me say to you? I said what I said to you. When me say we come here?
No.
Me don't know if the way I arrange. I'm a driver. Me give you a cigarette. Me can't give you matches.
Bashment need something hard, something strong, hard and strong right now. And my body comes in. Come, Bashi, right away.
Miss Gloria, you know, since I serious business.
One now.
You come here, come bend over in front of me. You want something hard. Something. Listen, man. Don't put me in trouble. You see?
Bashi.
You hear me say? And your husband get me out of prison. I mean, I'm making put me back there.
Bashi, you see him from money?
You know, go last time?
Bashi, I don't know where him up to. I've not seen a cent of the money him working.
Dear a gentleman.
Bashi, me I tell you, one thing, darling. You're not pretty for me. So you see, you know any whereabouts. Come down, come.
No, man, she's about 9 months now.
Oh man, you need to show her the ropes.
Let me show her the rope, she ain't herself.
No, but on a serious note, you don't see me husband.
No, but I know something. I know this works.
No worry, I said, come here, come. Bashment, let me tell you something. Me personally can't put me on.
Yes.
But what is happening?
Yes.
But you know me a girl with strong intuition. So anytime me see, me will know because you know say me. You see as me see this little child here pass?
Yes, yes.
And you is a woman, my husband and him.
Yes.
And you is a woman. You know when me talk because me not gonna tell you what me gonna do.
Me know what you do.
But and you is a woman, man, me I tell you, God bless him.
Always.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
You're new around here.
Yeah, we just get to work today.
Let me have a double shot of anything, huh?
You ever buy that to yourself?
All the way, darling, all the way. It's on the top shelf there.
Oh, top shelf.
Look on the bottom, you will see a bottle. My mistake, darling. See there, the last one that lay in there. See there? Hi, darling. Mind the pies of somebody here when we saw you. Hello? I'm down by the courthouse pursuing a murder case. Woman, I said I'm down by the courthouse and I rest my case.
Now for a lawyer, why is a damn liar?
I'm not a liar, I'm a lawyer.
My,
And as a lawyer, I have to exercise some sense of security.
my God.
Suppose somebody else calling.
You saw the caller's ID?
I did not see the caller's
Bertram,
ID.
you always look at your caller's
I
ID.
did not see the caller's ID. I suppose somebody TV your phone.
How?
What do you mean how?
I just left the house. How? How?
I'm one of them nasty people, yeah, man.
Wait.
You're the wife of a lawyer and a bank at that.
So what?
You should understand the risks more than most
shut
people.
it. So what?
What do you mean, so
Don't
what?
talk to me like that, man. Don't do it. I'm out of order. Don't do it.
She aggressive, Sorry, you want
Hey,
something?
no, darling, don't. You're full
All
of...
right,
Hi.
Take your backside and go backside. You came already and he said he didn't want anything. Where are you going again? Go, someone.
All right, stop it.
Out of order.
Stop it.
Go, stop.
I said stop
Look
it.
here,
Why you behaving like that?
I don't want you to talk to me in the name before something go bar fly, you know. Don't do it.
You know, that is why doctors marry doctor and thief marry thief. When birds are not of the same feather, the flight is lopsided.
And that is why all people must marry to all people. Out of order. If you weren't so old and up in age, I would introduce you to a real profession. Give me a gin, please.
In a country where crime and violence is the #1 industry, what better profession to have than to be a criminal lawyer?
What day is today, Bertram?
Oh, that's good.
No, what day is today? I'm talking to you. What day is today?
The day in front of yesterday and behind tomorrow.
Oh, what anniversary, Bertram. Oh, what anniversary.
Them in know. Oh, anniversary was yesterday. It's tomorrow.
Yeah.
Then almost today.
My God. Oh, what anniversary. And you didn't remember.
Oh, God.
Imagine I went ahead and booked one of the finest hotels there is in Kingston. You told me you wanted dancing girls. I went and I got 5 because I know you're freaky. You told me you wanted cheesecake. And cheesecake is at the house waiting on you. Bertram, me darling, get me a Balova watch. I went and I got one of the most expensive Balova watch. And this is how you treat me, Bertram. This is how you treat me. On our anniversary. Oh, that's why I'm on your backside.
This is how you treat me, man.
Shut up! Shut up!
No, man there. I want to have man supposed to be broke my shoulder.
You know how you look, sir.
How wrong with me?
That baby that sleep by your clothes.
Suppose your wife did broke my shoulder. Where that tell me? Say, tell the truth. Where that tell me?
From when our friend come down to the yard, come to the house, she see me I got my ex-wife yard. A pure word in the house.
A lie. I don't really have one Bertram, it don't look good. You know, the woman I get mad when the kid got the pet.
Why you not arrest her? She went kill her son, you don't get one day.
And that's not a problem. When you start making like money, I don't marry too quick or wait too long, that's she gonna go.
Which category mean? Too quick or too old?
All of the above. Anyway, I'm not come fast in business, we just come for the case that one year. How did I go mad you?
What kind of case?
All Jackie, you know.
Oh no, me never that.
I was the mackerel and dumpling liar. Remember say your GL get to lie if we don't get a case in a yam. Sit down.
How much?
Well, them family them have money, so I go want 35% from what you are gonna make.
35%?
And don't make me raise it like your voice.
Then indeed, then lock your fake stash and we'll be there, paste there my life. You're like a nasty nitty.
And now one more day, your season just done. Ho, 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 ho. Where you put about this on? You just know man, you're too nasty. Everything hides in the house. Everything in the house that's up on the ground like a China you come from. Don't do it, man. You're too nasty, man. That's what the water you chick up on the couch. I don't like it, man.
My friend, me have met Vicky, yeah.
Alive! That's it, man.
Money now, one piece of argument. I'm being dirty in this up here, yeah. Tracy.
I didn't make that. Carry that clean and then beat you. I tell you, say your argument them all days and them coming like Bashment, Kid Craiggle. Get up to the end, man. I look how you perk me for a while ago. Oh, I like them something, I do them something, man. That's right, that's all. So you like, don't you go?
Yeah, I love them work.
But say, yeah, man, don't you ammo. Jesus, mommy can't shut the people and don't you know?
Yeah.
And yeah, go to my man, 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 so my man, yeah, don't you pop off. Hey, to all your popping on my man, feel like hard drive and you're the virus. But could I find your phone number?
Hey, then all you get in.
Do you meet him, call your man, answer the phone, and say my happy son? No, you need to make call and your man answer the phone. Your man, your mate. Pamela lose her, man. No, Baba, your body, your bad stuff. You man, there was a quiet check back the girl. Ain't got so much beating me in you here. Oh, Lord. Baba,
No, man.
oh, man, she got cry. No, but look how much things to do for that man there. Sell your bed, sleep on the front, catch cold in the ears. Now wickedness, dirtiness. Oh, God, poor thing. That's why I always tell you now. Take good man, take man with manual. Read as you go along. I want you, I don't want you, you stay. But not freak, I say, don't you have so full of man? Yeah, you ever get man till you're blue?
I know some of us, but don't say not one man don't you want to like.
This serious. What is that, man?
I don't see no man don't you want to like.
Oh, God, it get serious. What is that, man?
I don't see no
It
man.
blows up proportion. Turn on. Turn on, quick, now turn on.
What?
You want one new battery, your vision now go. What you mean you don't see no man?
I don't see none, man.
Are you big pineapple blows that trying to have the people let me know?
Now you give me that blouse here.
So we come down, we never give for working, I couldn't set you up something in a 9-9.
No friend. Me and your friend now.
Are you say for that name?
If me and your friend begging about you now.
Take you, let it go now.
To me.
Me not mean I could have lose my life feet. I don't do me that patrolling in one boy I get it from a woman and she turn in my face about I said, come out to my face and go look for the fenders of the earth. She never knows say me didn't want to grab the bag in about the boy first meet. Hurt me. Hurt me. But never mind. Me no wise. Me just go to the corner for the thief. Them always come and lay away to man.
Yeah.
One see my runner come and them say thief and thief God la. Me say God brace yourself. I say bend the corner so me just come so. Sway! Drop and we'll go.
Yeah, and then after I drop what?
And then lay down and go.
Then what happen? Him thump your dog.
I just want to give me right there. I threw me the quint. If me never quint me, that's it when man come. Pass me to the chat too much. Chat too much. Look how much beating you get and I just one company there. Let me tell you how this work now. You see the big book? Look here. The big book of the government, but now I work for him to the kind of pay bills. So one year, your book I eat by your ear, your blouse, your shorts, your slippers, and it can make you smell good. You smell rhymy, man. You pass me a while ago, I think it was a lime tree. When you see this one, you respect it. It's a morning ticket book. Hey. Hey. Look at this. I'm not buying the book for you. A morning ticket book.
Morning ticket book.
Not like that. When you book again and you're not upset, you're not going. Come on, show your teeth and we're going to man have your house pan. Come.
Morning ticket book.
But now stay with you because you love mix up too much. I'm going to go right now, go for fitness, no right and insurance. Oh, I want shoes. You want nothing?
No, I don't want nothing.
She not hear what I'm saying now. You want nothing?
But some I don't want nothing, man.
You know how you man want some married and settle down with for use, abuse, refuse and set aside.
Sure.
Yeah, young girl, no in your vocabulary. Every man you see for the body. You love take show off now. And that's why gas take you easy. Don't do them something again. And then you drive with money, say 5 minutes pass and then no make no offer. Comes up, Me not in this time, no. You're not live for me because I know who must copy and you can't put on your weight. Last year, I did big and fat them up for asking this year if they sleep on nail. Don't do it again, man. Don't make you say no out of your mouth again. You hear what I'm saying? Where's that going to go work extra hard because my fridge don't have no grocery? Your fridge having grocery, my friend? You don't want no grocery?
No, Mama, so I just buy something.
Oh, Jesus, she's not learning. She's not getting back.
I would like a bottle of the best cognac you have.
Cognac. I don't think we're selling something there.
You see that bottle on the left? That is cognac. I need it on the rocks.
Oh, top chef. All right.
Nice place you got here. You own it?
No, I'm only working here.
So why is it a nice girl like you working in a bar?
Yeah, Trevor, some money to go back to the
You know I'm a tourist from New York. I was born in Jamaica, and from time to time I visit as a tourist. I just love Montego Bay.
I come from Kingston, I love my bed too.
So you're telling me that both of us are tourists, technically speaking?
Yes! And you see the two man them who own this place, y'all. The two of them come from Kingston too.
You don't say. So you're telling me that this place is in a tourist town, where the customer, the owner, and the worker... Are you okay? You're hungry?
Yeah. Tongs. And you is a nice story. You look good.
You're supposed to have good deal for him. Come here, tell the boy, please. Where the backside anyway, eh? I fertilize with the customer.
You know, fuck nobody, sir.
So what you do over here, sir? You're supposed to over there, sir. Oh, sorry about that, you see. She's new and she does not know the protocol.
Well, actually, she's doing fine. Because I've been to other bars, but it was the charm of your bartender that caused me to purchase the most expensive bottle of liquor.
Oh, what is it, one? I'm $45,000 for that, you know?
$45,000?
Shut him out. You don't know the price.
I know the price, Mr. Bashment.
Yeah?
Mr. Bashment. You're Mr. Bashment.
You know me?
No. I think I read about you in the papers.
I the same thing, but I
Shut up! So what are you here?
Call me Christopher.
As Columbus.
Absolutely. Because I just discovered your name. Nice name. And I just discovered you own this place.
Yeah.
Nice place. Nice meeting the boss.
Alright, Columbus, you know, discover the honey for me. I can't deal with you now, I'm busy.
Okay, Mr. Bashment, I know we will meet again.
No, we don't meet again.
You sure you don't want to drink with the customer?
If I want a drink, I pour myself a drink off the bar.
So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Babalita.
What? My name is Babalita.
How long have you been working here?
Well, me I'm working for about 2 years now.
So you're supposed to know a thing or two about this place.
Yeah.
Can you say if this place is up for sale?
Well, I don't really know. I can't find out for you.
Listen, I need you to do that. Because if it is, I could buy it and you could manage it. You know you're a nice girl.
Yeah.
It shows in your eyes. Give me a call after leaving work.
No, no phone.
Buy yourself a phone.
It's camera now. I want one BlackBerry. I know something enough now before you come to work. I'm going to want one black slippers from me have a black top. I'm a nails, I don't want to come. I can't serve a customer them, so. Here one do it.
Do you know the difference between Christopher Columbus and me?
No, I never studied history.
Well, Christopher Columbus come looking for what is not his. I'm here looking for what is mine.
Oh, me?
Tell me, is this how Mr. Bashment treats you?
Yeah, I'm an old man.
Listen, don't let anyone treat you less than your worth. Because what is yours is yours.
Yeah.
Okay? You know, I'm here looking for a lady with a bad heart. Can you say if you've ever seen anyone like that around here?
So why you ask me? Me not deal with people with bad hearts, or them are dirty people. When the money walk up mix me, I just get the liquor.
You know, I think I'll take you back to New York with me.
I never go further than I'm over now.
Hello? No. 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 Yes. Okay.
She jealous.
I'm not in it here too early, I'm not in it.
Listen, you can sell the remainder of that and keep the cash, okay? Bashment just went inside that room.
Oh, you're an informer. You know, I have to see Mr. Bashment.
But lady, you can't ask him them something here now.
Speak when you're spoken to.
Oh my God.
I must see Mr. Bashment.
You don't know nothing about him. That's what I'm telling you, lady.
Speak when you're spoken to. I must be sister.
Miss Fina dead.
Speak when you're spoken to. My name is Tina. You can call me Turner.
Well, I'm not really here to see Mr. Bashment.
Oh?
I'm looking for a lady with a bad heart.
A bad heart? By any chance you could be half a dog?
Does it seem like the word half applies to me in any way?
Oh no. It seems the word full dog applies to you anyway. You know, I like to stay here and chit chat with you, but I gotta roll. Hang on. Oh, if that boy the half a dog, me don't need Bashment. But it's one thing to say, him now get this place from me. Oh, I'll finish this. You watch Granny. Oh. Him can't get this place from me. Hello, come the man. I will even know open and make them something crawly in them. Are you Mr. Bashment's son?
How are you?
Our friend.
What kind of friend? Come on, man. Just come here, baby. Let's walk here some door.
I'm a good friend to Mr. Bashment.
What kind of friend?
Good friend.
What kind of friend?
A very good friend.
Oh, Lord. No, man. Bash it. Bingo. We need you a bash it now. I wish magazine him cut you out.
So Mr. Bashment own this place?
Like I say, Adi and the boys.
Is Mr. Bashment own this place?
I didn't tell you.
Yeah.
In a year of old days, he make my instincts. Machine up on nowhere, right? He work for me, sweep up the place and then some of them.
So how Mr. Bashment and the people around you know?
Nobody don't like him on you, so I let come find out. Nobody at nobody them say him dead. No, night! Yeah, I mean, I agree with them. Him wicked man, wicked. Him is a wicked. Him have a son of poison named Trevor that he would hoof one child and say go to the boy. So the height of wickedness starts. I can't wait for kicky buckets.
Oh my God. I'm sorry for you.
Not sorry for me, I have too much work. That's sorry for all you look. That's so wicked.
It's really terrible.
Yeah, very terrible. know, but probably will have mercy upon you based on how him wicked and you ugly. Yeah, perfect combo. So lady, you can ask your question. Between me and them, the grandchildren for send gas school and chimney for wash out and them somebody. You come and borrow sit down and wait for money. If you didn't see me move and granny and beat you and beat you. You're big and old and ugly. I like you this morning. Now go make the bar sale. People, you know.
So what do you do?
Don't do that. So I joke me and make Bashment. And you really want to something going. I tell back that by your head, they look like you have cancer.
So I say to Bashment. Video, I understand some serious disguise here. Serious. Nobody now get this from me. Me work too hard for this. You hear me say, Trevor put me through hell, me go to prison for this. Somebody can't come take it from me. I'm going to drive up before anybody gets it. I'm going to say it.
No, not do that. Me I'm begging, not do that. Me man know the bad boy come for kill you.
Well, let me tell you something. Whether half a dog, 3/4 dog, or full dog, him now get this. You hear me say? Because where bones are not provided, no dogs are invited. I mean,
oh Jesus. Me not to this place no good already, man. Look at you told we ball there.
I want you for the light to cut off.
What the fuck am I like? But she will always appear with me.
Light bill coming up. Light bill come.
Yeah?
Hey, $2 million.
No, but she not do me that. But we are born for $2 million.
How that me I say too?
You know, say get a dream boy, yo.
Yeah, go for the flash. I want that. That's all I want, yeah.
You here carrying us to the airport where work is a plane, go park.
Alright, now let's see if I find the flashlight.
Can't stomach him, him back broad like shooter. Oh man, it's sick me real bad, man. I must rub him door.
Man, I find the flashlight.
Yeah.
See the flashlight?
You don't know if it's anytime. One man outside that tried me say, him a go shoot me. You can go see if him gonna be in bullet and come back.
Your father, you?
Yeah, your father, me. Thanks. One first, them say age before beauty.
Alright.
Yeah, but she go on.
You see me? Stay close close to me?
Yeah, me there close. Closer than you think.
All right. Me in the army, I'm in over fight. Just...
Shibby? 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 Yeah.
How we are around it?
Me did I repent. What's your friend say? Friend say.
You get there one before you get one.
What's wrong?
Go on, man. You're brave.
No. Me no bother one tongue, Sergeant.
Shibby, you can't hold it down somewhere.
Yeah, yourself, man. Just send me every time.
What
You can't stop it, man, that shit. You're the devil ass whip.
But you can't hold the guns here for what's here. You could have shut off your neck.
Suppose I don't them see I want it. May I give him?
Yeah. How you think you ain't government gun? Listen. Just hold the gun, sir. And anything you see move, shoot. Me follow.
I set up my life, them I shoot, me not move.
All right, she be there. She be, you save me dead? Bank my money in my name.
Outside, quiet door.
Call and ask of them.
Yeah, idiot, where you talk about car go?
Be brave. No bad, be brave. Be brave. Be brave. Yes.
You understand?
Everything you say, I understand.
What me say?
Me no know.
Hey!
Oh, you feel?
Nervous.
Me go come up with a plan. Me take it up and you take it back home.
No. Me take time, you take the baton.
No man, me take it up and you take it back home.
No, sir. Me take time, you take the baton.
Me not play ya me first, so me take it up and you take it back home.
Me take time, you take the baton.
Stop it, man, you're old man, if you take back home. You see that head?
Me no see no baton.
Me not see no food, suppose you have so somebody.
Suppose I dump it.
Don't say so, you're idiot. You see me can't fight up here. That one you say, I don't people man, you go.
I am up with a plan. Hear me? You see like how you have the gun? Just put the gun on rapid fire and just bust out there and start shooting.
Put this man rapid and go there. Yeah, come to. So I put this man rapid and me alone say, put the face man rapid. No, too much rapid.
Mr. Bashment?
Hello.
I'm here in the meeting, sir.
You reached already?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just pour something from the bottom shelf.
Pour myself a drink.
Yes, pour yourself a drink.
Thank you.
Why you tell us I miss Chucky?
Mr. Bashment?
Yes?
I've not seen my drink at all. My drink is on the middle shelf.
Alright, go ahead, Mr. Jello.
All right, thank you.
When Chucky was here and helped me, imagine Shebadda send my police and I put gun on their arm, damn fool.
Mr. Bashment, hurry though. Have another meeting. Have another meeting, sir.
Alright. Why I tell you, see? No, I never see nothing so. I never see anything like this. Huh? You can't have gun. I'm gonna shoot after you, put you on the arm, damn fool. Yes. Me there.
Okay, Mr. Bashment, sorry to be rushing you.
Yes.
Just that I have another meeting, all right, darling?
Me understand.
Okay.
Hospital, some I go borrow some money to fix up the place.
All right.
Call me pension list, some I have set it straight.
Now, if our credit union,
Yes.
Mr. Bashment, you're wearing lipstick, sir.
How are you, man? I'm not wearing lipstick. You see, man? How you think,
Mr.
sir?
Bashment, you're wearing lipstick.
Me rotted. Alright. Other woman, what is that pink? Don't come back on me. Don't come.
Mr.
She gonna come hold me down here.
Next time, you need to be very aware.
Yeah.
All right. Now, if our credit union is going to be lending you all this money you're asking,
Yes.
you will have to put in place public liability insurance.
Me not going to public life. Me not do that.
What happened?
Going to public liability.
Mr.
Me not
Bashment,
doing it.
no.
Me not going to public liability. Me not doing it.
Mr. Bashment, it simply means, just in case someone gets injured on premises, your insurance will deal with the liabilities.
Insurance deal with liar too?
Mr. Bashment. Okay, when you get in office tomorrow morning, I'll explain everything, all right?
All right.
But I like the plan. It looks good.
You like it?
Looks very good. I see where you have mountain parties.
Yes,
You're going to be having dominoes.
Yes, dominoes.
Karaoke.
Karaoke.
But this one, Mr. Bashment, I don't know this one.
Which one?
Skirpy-lurpy.
Oh,
What's that?
Skirpy-lurpy?
Skirpy.
Trevor didn't invent that before he go to prison.
Yeah? So what does that entail?
Every Tuesday night, you have something fishy. The girls them come on and we eat them fish.
Mr. Bashment?
The eating of fish.
I still don't understand. So what you're saying, on a Tuesday night, we come with our fish, we place it on the grill, and we eat it.
No, not we eat it. Me eat it.
But Mr. Bashment, I still don't understand.
What do you mean?
No, if you eat my fish, there won't be any fish for me to eat.
Well, you must not eat the fish.
What will I eat?
What you going to eat?
Yes.
Sausage.
Mr. Bashment. Okay, so, all right. So why don't you have a combo night where you have fish and chicken combo or fish and sausage combo?
Oh, fish and sausage. You like it? The combo. The eating of sausage and fish. All right. Yeah, you're from next week. Here, sausage and fish eating.
Well, as I said, the proposal looks pretty good.
You like it?
So tomorrow morning you get in office, we do the paperwork, and you're good to go.
So get the
Your
check.
check will be ready.
All right.
How about that?
I like that.
So I see you tomorrow. In office, all right?
Yes.
I'll be there for 9, all right?
Yes. There's one thing you can't understand.
What's that, Mr. Bashment?
Me have my money. Right? I'm going to improve my place and I'm going to borrow your money.
Let me tell you something. Some of the richest people in the world borrow money to do business. Just one thing though, Mr. Bashment.
Yes.
Whatever happens, never let me down.
No, I'm not let you down.
Mr. Bashment, I am going out on a limb for you guys.
Yes.
Don't let me down.
No, I'm never saying that.
Make sure the payment or the payment is always on time.
I will do that.
Mr. Bashment.
Yeah,
no, I'm depending on you now.
Yeah, because you go up on a limb and I don't want to broke off with you.
All right. Well, that's correct. So I see you in office tomorrow morning at 9?
Right. Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead, man. No problem.
Well, Mr. Woman, I like interfering with people's business.
What happened?
Understand the fast. Oh, your husband, I guess.
Oh, my husband, we're just not getting on, you know. But you know, we ladies, we just have to teach you men a lesson.
Why do I understand your husband? He is a lawyer, a Tony at law. A very educated man.
I thought so too, Mr. Bashment. But you know, we just never know and just never stop learning. But Mr. Bashment, I'll see you in office tomorrow morning.
Yes.
And I'll definitely take you up on your offer. This scalpel everything.
Yes.
I will walk with my fish.
Walk with your fish. Maybe you can walk with your fish. No, man. I don't think this is. Me don't want to start again.
Money I make.
Aye. Oh, you just coming to work, eh?
But tell Shebadda say me I come in here.
But she might never tell me nothing.
Well, that's a communication problem between you and him.
I notice, you know, from the other day, your fruits them get ripe. Them a drop off now.
Trying to make none of them lick you.
Watch it.
Hi! You forgot say, I'm still up here, you?
Aye! You forgot to the money where y'all pay me, but take it by credit put from my phone.
Watch out. I want that money can't work.
Furthermore, when all girl come look for you one day, yeah.
What she look like?
Like a trailer trash all the time.
No, you know, say you can't stay. No, you know that. You can't stay. Pack your things up. I'm a buffer. You're fired. Leave the place. You're fired.
I was gonna examine that show pen but not call me and text me. How about she?
Your friend get fired.
She thief something no to the girl and then affair. Hey girl, jump. Jump!
No teeth, no.
I don't talk to you, jump. Me not satisfied either, shake. Bashment not to drop the girl clean.
Wait, I don't understand. Hi. Peer in. You're fired John McCain style.
You know when I leave for the place.
No. When me tell me the bomb out. I'm my friend that I'm a session now run away.
Yeah.
Hillary, you can work Obama style.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. What do you mean? When you give the little girl for Bashi, you know you're miserable. You're coming like tambourine tree. Come here. I see where the man are fire. Oh, your steps on you. Eh? You're eating. Come here, look here. We never teach the outfit the girl. Where you get it from? Oh, where you get it from? Oh yeah, we kid me so. You couldn't tell me say you're fine, man.
I never tell you.
Oh well, no. So you love him?
Yeah.
Him love you too?
Yeah.
Oh God. Baba.
Yeah.
Him look like we'd spend by you?
Yeah.
Where your friend? That's my them too far.
Yeah.
Can you give your money?
Yeah.
Money for money?
Yeah.
Oh Lord! You're coming here, girl! Hey, me, I come from my share, come in, I rent you for free. Yeah, you can't come off of my bed now. Yeah. I come like when young girls step up, man. Young girls come. Sorry. For God saying I like the word young. But it's not our fault you're born quick and all now. You couldn't wait, man. Look on the little girl, man. A jumper just sit on her rim and show me a whole lot of shape. And you put on a jumper, there's a shape like water.
You know easy. Anyhow, one thing on our station.
Them say me involved in a shooting. Meet them live.
Who you can shoot?
And that me a try to figure out right now.
Oh, no.
Wait.
Yeah.
What one council?
But alright, bam bam bigelow. Every time we see you, we see nastiness, so we just feel like disinfectants.
You go out now.
You not get the papers?
Which papers?
Divorce.
My wife and divorced me.
What's new?
Your wife and divorce?
I mean, I don't want to serve it in that's open for me, no. But show me the like nastiness and then where you want to like, Jesus, just come to
Alright. Go on, Canada.
Oh, glorious. I'm my wife.
Spring Alive. I'm your host, Dibby Shibby.
Good afternoon, corporate. Good afternoon. Can you call my husband for me, please?
I don't have any credits.
Corporate, have you seen my husband?
Lady, man, not store husband. Don't do that, man. Please.
Isn't that his car on the outside?
Lord Jesus, I hear a man. You're supposed to know all them assets. Don't do that.
All right, have all evening. I'll sit and wait. Have all evening. My God, I don't understand. Is this the way policemen speak to people? Police force has gone to the dogs. I came inside the place. I asked the policeman a simple question, and this is how you talk to someone, sir?
Father.
God of grace.
Hold
Give me a gin, please. My God, you guys need a crash course in how to deal with people, customer relations.
Lady, never beg you down now. Never beg you come out from my back.
No, this is not how policemen speak to people, and that is what I want you to know.
No, me talk to anybody in all.
When I do business, I came in as a person. You need to deal with me with respect.
Me have to deal with you, lady.
My God.
Yeah, when me you come from far. We used to take PE.
You know, honestly, you sick my stomach.
Then you should have walked with your angels. I'm a seminar of answer you. Me not have to answer you.
You don't respect your uniform.
A materialist, you lady. Babalita. No, she come in and she question me.
Yeah.
Me not feel like for answer. I have answer.
No.
And then she want to read my diary. Me not write on paper. I want to steal. She want to get up in her mind, makeup, and I realize that she's not the powerful.
And whenever I leave here, I'm going to go straight to the commissioner's office and I'm going to report you.
We have it all.
I said I'm going to report you.
Hurry up! Ready to go!
I'm disgusting.
Me don't know what we're in. This woman will run down a man and they're not athlete. You understand what I mean?
Nothing is wrong.
That hurt me. She come in here with that overnight problem. I come over and them out a relationship. I want to it for me.
You don't worry about that. That's my business.
I was a long time stay big woman, you know.
Let me tell you something. I notice you. You always talk about old. But you see the rate at which you're going, I need for you to know. The rate at which you're going, you will never live to see my age.
And you didn't see my skin a wrinkle like you when I drop your bucket of oil off a lake. Me don't know what do you. I want really do you.
You need to take a good look at yourself, and that is what you need to do.
Me, I wonder sometimes if there's an antique store, like I want this all-time center table.
You will never live to see my age, and I need for you to take a note of that. And I rest my case.
You're supposed to rest it a black and white Yahweh. Right, and then put things to rest. Where me you go?
Come in, man.
How are
No respect.
talk aloud, she can't lick you, my dear. Sad.
Come in, man.
Remember me, your friend, she can't lick you.
Come in, man.
Lad, you determined how she must have.
Over Baghdad.
Where you ask me about bag, you see me go on trip?
Over Baghdad.
I'm man bad. Give me that bathroom, my Don't do more. No, I go and do it. You're too much now, man. Miss, you can't go in that bathroom for me.
Get out of here!
Baba, you like me Israel bag? I'm Israel, my bag, you know what I mean?
Look here. What's the significance of this bag?
Look here, don't give me a one time. My job is to serve, protect, and inform. I'm not serve and protect and inform.
And you're no. You are now contradicting yourself. When I came in and asked for information, you told me you were not a liberty.
No, I didn't have a lunchtime. Don't do that.
Well, sir, next time you buy the bag in Jerusalem.
Especially class, she didn't know she can't. So I never try.
Give me another drink, please.
The job is done here.
Open the bag, my friend. Open the bag.
Mama, you know what you can't think you got no. Come and buy the bag, I don't want to look into it. How about this, Baba?
Oh, what that?
Israel so old and I use condom. No, man, this is not right. Israel and rock old.
Freaky.
What you say?
Freaky, you heard me.
You don't see freak yet. You don't see freak yet. You're wrong! Stand up in the night till daylight!
Santa Claus, the man you're servicing, or the man you want to service.
Hi, CNN, BBC, JBC. You see anybody other from us since you come inside?
I want to you.
You might tell if you say no, yeah, idiot.
Oh my God.
May I ask you a question?
No.
So you ask questions, so you're in, boy?
Peace be unto you.
Peace be unto you too, young man.
May I ask what the lovely lady is having?
Oh, I'm having something hard.
You are unbuckling your head back. Oh, what is man?
Shut up, your mom!
Serve the lady whatever she's having.
Oh, I'm having gin.
Any of you fellas care for a drink?
Me not thirsty.
Bashi and Lodi.
No, for a policeman, you licky.
No, man, you're going you alone can't drink out the bar, you want help.
Let me have a a double Hennessy, please.
Triple my Hennessy, please.
You don't even know the man's pocket, and this is how you ask.
You never made him know, not teach him my lesson.
You know, I'm here looking for a lady with a bad heart.
Look no further, see your yard.
No. The lady I'm looking for is so rich. She's so damn rich, she could buy herself a new house.
Oh, that must be Mrs. Pinedo.
I won't name so.
She's up in Beverly Hills.
Suppose the man is a journalist. You know, I'm going to newspaper.
Why would I want to do that?
I don't know how to get viewed.
No, mama.
Wait! This what happened to this big hair girl.
Baba, you know, woman I done you. Big hair. Hello, sir. Are you a journalist?
No, I'm not a journalist.
Are you a foreigner?
Yeah, come on, foreign.
Word like your girl, me not chat to her. Who would I get a man? I would right here.
No, shoot like that. I'm not pure leather like nothing.
The woman strike twice. Hello. Are you anybody?
No.
Word I hear, big ear, y'all.
Some people cannot tell like by your ear. You push jobs?
No.
You don't see me go turn back here.
What is it you know about me?
Don't do that. You don't know me, I don't know you. When you talk to me, the skin of your nose also about me. No, I'm sure your nose will not feel like young donkey boy. When you see me and the man back, Mr. Bashir,
You come inside, right?
right.
You stand up inside, right?
Right.
The policeman asks you a question, right?
Right.
All you have to do is answer, right?
Look at that and you say you're a police. You're nothing but a police.
You know you're a brave
Look
man.
at what is happening.
But one of these days, your bravery will come to nothing.
Go and attack the man.
You don't behave yourself. You don't want to put in a danger.
You say you're a policeman.
Bashir, I drip him. No, tell the truth, I drip.
I drip.
Suppose me didn't see when him drip. Like 1 minute to make it rest here. You don't expect police. You don't see me strive. To make it about you think me a red stripe.
I'm me, near Marco Don.
I'm not afraid, no. Me not afraid of no one. You could have bounty card and no man have Linda. No
What did you just say? You never talk? Yeah. Well, I don't want to be now.
Aye, come, give me things, man. Give me my things.
So we can't go and so. I'm just simply by yourself.
Just go down, thief, man. You think I vitamin?
How my case look?
The people them say run on the man and shoot him in a cold blood.
Tell them that in a life, Papa, come in and shoot nobody from my join this force.
And then you're going to shot come out and kill the
And the
man.
man wanna go and kill him. The thing can't look on you until he lies so.
Why is a lie?
Excitement happening in the lane, I'm gonna go look. And the man I run towards me with him gun. When me need for to stand up, after me now audition for go for money.
Alright, I'm going to take the case. You have to plead guilty in the line of self-defense. We're going to need some forensic evidence. My retainer fee going to be $1 million.
Look here. You're a grown man. You don't expect me to take care of you. Stop it!
Don't talk fast, you hear me? My wife I run me down for divorce, my backside. You know I'm live comfortable so I can win the case. You want to go in that prison and mix up with the man and we put inside it?
Nothing wrong with that. 3 meals a day and enough rest.
And you look like you ain't needed to. Shibby, come here, please, come here.
I'm aware
Come
of
stop right there, so man. I have to leave. Come here, come.
I'm a family of here.
Yes, come, stay right.
Corporal!
Yoo-hoo!
Let me tell you something.
You come!
I need for you to give my husband this.
Yeah, look behind you! Look behind you!
Oh my God, Bertram! Bertram! Bertram!
How much sweet yourself?
You should have come to work early, you can't share.
Anyhow, I have something to tell you. I know you're a brave policeman. You're afraid of nothing.
No.
I mean, no, me ask me to me, I feel, yeah, but we.
Of course, I don't tell me no.
Because you know how to make nobody's extend.
Your mother!
Trust me, man.
Yeah.
Listen, from now on,
Yeah.
Babalita went to my granddaughter.
Unless you want me to take care of it.
I used to boy, I come and I want to fix him up for me. Come on, me know you don't like him.
So what you want me to do?
Shoot him.
No, I'm not shooting nobody. I'm going too far now. I'm not shooting nobody. The boy don't even know you want to shoot. We want to shoot the boy for. You go say you wicked for sure.
But you are so wicked, man.
No, but now it's a talk. I got me a talk now. Are you me a talk?
Are you me a talk?
I'm not shooting the boy. Fear is serious. Man, they pick me too, man.
Yeah, what you want to shoot the boy?
Nah, big man, no, Bashi, you're too wicked, man. Seriously, no way, we're not doing it. No way, no. No one, no
Babalita, I know these guys are cheap, so tell me, what's my bill?
About $5,000, 5,500 to be exact.
5,055.
You know I would never lie to somebody that I love.
They can keep the change.
Come friend, call me as well. Give me money.
Babalita,
Your malfunction.
go sit in the car.
Give me money.
All right, sweetie.
I must buck you.
I paid Trevor a visit to the prison. And based on the information he gave me, yo, Mr. Bashment,
Pay attention, the man that talk to you.
you better have my 12 million by next week Friday. Or else, you remember what happened to your bar? It might happen again.
Oh, Jesus, look at me slung so I'm comfortable. I'm going to use it in my life. No, man. No. You don't see no training, you never report it. I can't stay with you.
It's the reopening of Bashment Entertainment Center. Let me help myself to a gym. Okay. Poppy showing them gang.
Bartender, pour me a drink, please.
It must be damn laddie.
Back off.
You're out for do. Get out for your drink. You're up. Come on, out for do. Out for do, man. Out for do. Mrs. Santa Claus. Oh my God, she's facially challenged. Means she don't look good.
She younger than you.
Of Bashment Entertainment Lounge. Now, I personally want to apologize for the absence of Mr. Bashment.
And I will say a few words on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bashment couldn't make it this evening. Fix 2 drinks here coming over here. Fix 2 drinks. Mr. Bashment couldn't make it this evening because he had to go to the airport and meet his son Juki.
Hello.
Who flew in from Morocco.
Hello.
Now you know that Mr. Bashment.
This is not the courtroom.
I am speaking.
We're not deliberating here.
Your box a grind.
When?
Mind that axe don't grind you.
Oh, come on. Get away, Bam Bam Bigelow. Hey, got a girl, want a drink. Have a seat, darling. Have a seat, quickly, we're about to begin. Got to have a seat, darling. She's broke. All right. Okay. Now, as we were saying, welcome again to the reopening. Got to get settled, please. Welcome to the reopening of Bashment Entertainment Lounge. Now, there's a lady.
We are trying it.
Oh, man. Now, there's a lady. Listen carefully now. There's a lady in waiting.
Yes!
A lady from Southeast St. Andrew. A lady when this very club used to be in Kingston. She used to come and she used to support the bar.
Yes!
She's flown all the way to Montego Bay today to be a part of this grand celebration.
Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, from the grassroots, I want you all now to put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Poor People Governor!
I'm so happy to be here tonight.
Yes.
Tonight will be a memorable moment for me.
Yes!
I'm not in a long speech.
Not at all.
Because I'm not in the House of Parliament. I'm not in the conference hall.
No.
Because the last conference, gunshot fire, and MP shiver. So as I was saying,
Yes, Miss
I know. Oh my God. Peter,
Oh no.
what you doing here? I've beaten you so much time, you still following me? Oh my God, I didn't know that. Babsy.
No, this is Gloria.
Babsy, Peter, one order.
No.
Whatever. Well, you know, I'm not here to represent the party.
No, at all, Miss P.
I'm here to party.
Yes.
So let's get it on.
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Come down. Let's talk about it. with you?
The wife not drive my car again.
Friday, two man show the camera my face and I don't see her again.
Well, that's my fast. But we see her coming out one taxi.
Taxi?
Yes.
I serve she come try serve me, you know. We can't afford for divorce right now.
Hear me up.
If she asks me, see, I am not here, wasn't here, I will never be here. You hear me?
But cause the female Bashment Granny now. Miss Bro, your husband.
Not a word.
Miss Bro, it's a male Bashment Granny now. Come to me. Come on. Come on, them dirty people here, man.
No, man, I want piece of me up shot.
Piss on me like this!
Somebody need to piss in the shape like one eyeball.
Oh, God, no. You came in the room, in the bathroom, you saw me in the corner. And not only did you piss on me, you fart on me. I'm coming to laugh. No, man, this is height of liberty. These people owe me 2 months now for my loan. 2 months in arrears. And you come inside, you flatulated on me. You urinated on me. I need to control the bottom, man. Control the bottom.
How about you, neighbor?
Come and make you a story, because you know my good feet down.
I choose my friend, you always bring it wrong.
Anyways, but see our husband still right there, right?
Yeah.
Then me tell him so she come in a one taxi. The man skirt gone in the video bathroom. She rush her come in and shh. Run down in the video bathroom and look, she don't feel now, you know.
Yeah.
I still come take a chair.
I tell you, them, I don't think people in your switch for them on toilet. The Baba, you know what we are?
Yeah, we love what we call being excited.
And nasty day. Bash it down to you. You're fired.
Yeah. But we can't do it.
May I start over? Bash it out to you.
Me and Abraham get serious.
Then how much man you wanna take so? Abraham also to Christopher Columbus after that. Where you go store them? You man tell us he's a criminal?
Him is not a criminal. Him is a businessman from New York.
Oh, you mean my friend? Defend your bike because a long time that was free. You, look here. Hey girl, the only merchandise your man is secured is the one in your warehouse.
This is my merchandise. And I will not be coming to you for any stock taking.
Like how you're smart still, right? You couldn't man to come to me. After me, don't play cobweb room. You say me I walk a clean old house.
You know say I take a joke too far now. You seriously I take a joke too far. It's like you forget some my name is Babalita Goodall.
And it never ring the bell.
And under no circumstances do I bow.
I never say nothing about bowing. So if you plan to take your mouth on vacuum, sorry, me not part of it.
Furthermore, 2 weeks only not pay me the money. Now I not work for free, they not pay me.
No, you have one like your bad and they have special vitamins, so jump up on Nana me. That girl, Nana,
What are the upper table for idiots, you know? I want you to pay me my money.
you get one in a maths measurement right. Suppose you make that touch me. Huh? How would that dust, yeah.
You know what? Me don't want none of the fire me up here, calm and quick. Come out and don't the place.
I never have a problem with that. After we not going to your head, that's the work, Baba work. If you want to go, but on your way out, take off my clothes. You're still there to the speed where you are coming, never just stop like the by your airway. And me make it possible for you to look like this. So naked you come, naked you shall go. Never make you sleep a business me I do for the next year where I come get out of those. And then you talk. Nah, girl, I'm not going to think about Hold it. Beg you for my twice. Give me my twice now, come now.
No, my birthday, give me this one.
I ask you again, beg you for my twice.
No, my birthday, give me this.
Your birthday got a long time, give me my twice. Give me it. Take it off, man. Outside and break, give me. You come and trace me, you have your man, let them spend by your man. Outside and break. You're full of clothes, though, you have man. Hold your body, hold your body. You want your body a search.
We don't want nothing else for you.
Me not send there, when a young girl and nobody hide things like cupboard. In the lights. In the lights. In the lights. Legs apart. Come on, man. Look like you're clean though, my friend. You never have nothing more from me that I like with you. Come now, man, give me now.
I'm a man by this game.
I meet if it over check.
Yeah, look, I'm a man, give me this. Go on.
Oh my gosh.
What you want? What?
Give me that. Give me that. Not right, and feisty. Run, put down. Put up a man, them to spend Panama. Outside, I'm right. She a wife, them up like them a figure read. Right, and feisty. That outside, that's stuff. I should pump her in her back. The bar lock me now, so no come out!
Hi! It's me, Council.
Mr. Council, Mr. Excitement.
What kind of excitement?
Dr. Babalita won't not get enough like in the construction site. We just have to strip the girl and run her. I do what you. Oh, God, that would be no so. He's going to renovate you like what, theater?
If that was my problem, I wouldn't have a problem. My wife, I run with them all over the place to give me divorce.
Look here, man, take it to their past. I'm a full up.
You know that since she tried to divorce me, it's 4 divorce cases we second for client.
Oh, my case, look, I mean, they look at that.
Your case look kind of murky. The chief witness, she dropped her hand dead, and the woman from the upstairs building said she wants something for opening her mouth.
You're not supposed to pay people to testify, so come to me with that.
Did I say you must pay anybody to testify?
What you talking?
You know what I mean? Some people are getting people to testify, no? Like motivating them. No, you're a police officer. At morning time when you see traffic violation on the road, you go to the man and say to him, give me your money, make I drop the charge.
I'm not a fool.
Okay,
But
good.
the way you do.
What me do?
Don't let me tell you.
I have a conscience, no man. A 550 one I've been on, shred them over you take. No, if you get her to testify, you could be back in uniform in a couple of days and try the woman pick the school fees here.
So you never say something come in and you beat you on the bush. I don't like your style, you know. Don't move. Me I get a number you call for that whole lot.
You're a young police officer. And the other thing that you should know. Number 1, the law is on a shuttle. And number 2, I learned this from Mutty Perkins. He who plays by the rule gets shafted.
Hey, morning. I never beg you something for me. Over here, so full of crosses. Carriers next door now.
Look like could have been a meeting.
You can smell from a distance.
So is this meeting about my money?
What money?
You know you look familiar. What your name? Rasta boy!
Yes, yeah! Yeah, I speak to that.
Don't matter that. Don't mix me.
So you know me.
Where do I know the eye from? And I come on and come over drink every now and then. And I hear people talk. So I assume what talk about the eye.
You know, so you look like the lawyer boy will give evidence against chicken in an extradition proceeding.
Fire bun. I am chicken. I am strict vegetarian. And I never put no judgment house on there. Ban. It's last year I know that. Come we go burn down Babylon. Come we go burn down Babylon one more time.
I'm joking, man.
Cause it's soft, yes, and
No, man, I'm not meaning for true.
It's soft, yes, and soft.
You know, you feel so much like your old man is being around you.
Anyhow, I might 12 million will come back.
12 million?
No, man, I'm man.
Yo, white-head boy!
You know, your kids are 9 to 5. Look how we are asking $12 million. If you had $12 million in a silver me account, your
Yo, you get to understand, sir, your Bashment responsible for my food. I mean it like yesterday.
Big man, talk to you, man.
Moag!
You have the grapefruit in your bag, more that's spiritual. Mommy, we can't take it nice. Remember my blood vessel. When you find the money, you know, you give me balance.
Yeah, let me tell you something. You're there for suspension. And you soon go to prison. I mean, need my money before you go to prison. Because if you go to prison, I'm going to get the money. You're dead. And if you're on the road, I'm going to get the money. You're still dead. So you can decide which part you want with. Dead.
She begin the money and about a day. Go.
So, who you be?
Ladies, sir. Me down in the studio, me hear about you now. So you're the dog where I have. Anyhow, give me a drink for my bill,
Yo, Asian one.
Oh, Jesus.
We don't want nothing for drink from you.
Oh, we are called Asian man, dirty boy. Drop your pants and look at you see Asian one.
Yo. Let me tell you something. Me allergic to none.
You're too lies, me tell you that all that you're thief to your cheap.
Yo, right now all me want to hear about is my 12 million. So you, Mr. Shebadda, tell Mr. Bashment I need my money before tomorrow. I ready to make preparation to meet him savior.
Oh, God.
You hear that?
Who me for them?
Mr. Bashment!
Where am I going to meet? Jesus, Savior. Sometimes I want that black cat to follow me. From your coming here. From your coming here.
Yo, mind how you raise up your voice for me now. I want you.
May you go make it on boomer. What make you never tell me say no understand me and say me could I tell you different. My young mama shot.
Yo, how not man? How not go on so? We're not going to know me born down in this center.
Burn down your arm with a feeling fresh and dirty boy.
Yo, I draw you. I draw you. I want to.
So no matter how you back, you know, we're afraid of you. Bigger man and you run on me and make them fall. So listen me, dirty boy. Chat to me back.
Granny, go in first, like how your skin tough.
No, you can't.
No, man, go on and drop back.
Hang on.
Hang on for sure.
Yeah. Listen, boy, I fright you for. You really fright you? But say, when I hear him say, tell Mr. Bashment! I'm frightened right now. You think you ever say, see that? All you hear me say, chat to me back, chat to me back. I run me. I want.
No, man, don't come up in my face. You're ugly non-stop.
It's serious now. Where are we going to do it?
Anything you have to hurry up, please, now, baby.
We can't carry my mouth, you know.
Hurry up, now, bash this feet.
Carry my ass over there, the ground. Ah, this is the whole van with Trevor left leg.
Yeah, man, yeah, come
Make
on.
her put in there.
Yeah.
Where my eye night. I'm with me and you know set in there.
Sure, man.
All right.
I don't know why I must have punished myself. I drive by now.
No, me not gonna
Bashi, I drive by. Nobody can't take bullet you want.
Hey! Hey! Ami!
Hi, Trevor, baby. Yeah. You know, so we hear them talk a while ago. They might put the money in the back of the van tonight. Yeah. Didn't think I would like somebody that I love. Yeah. All right, then I'll send you the credit. Every minute is a call and a beg credit. So what do you, man?
Hello? Hello? Young man sitting here, me calling you.
I was eating my lunch.
My God, you're so damn innocent people when you lie. Give this to Mr. Bashment for me, please.
Mr. Bashment is not here.
I'm going to ask you to give this to him for me.
And me say him no there.
And tell him for me. The place is now 4 months in arrears. If they don't pay that today, we're going to be seizing all assets, including you.
What?
What you damn lordy? Bertram, is this you?
No, no, must me. Where is it could be?
My God, the only time I didn't walk with the divorce paper, dear God. Jesus have mercy, man. I've abandoned the matrimonial home.
Then if you are running me down to give me divorce papers, then I must abandon the matrimonial home. See me no man, give it to me.
Bertram,
give it to me.
You will be
I
served.
said give it
you
to me.
will be served.
When you win service?
Jesus, no
when you lose
paper.
the work because of the budget, then we have on the road. Or when the bank them fire.
My business.
Your friend just come and tell you that's not foolishness, but just see me at home and yard. How you run me out of the house?
Bertram.
Me if I take taxi at the time going to the house, come pick up 2 pieces of clothes so we can get
And that's your choice.
You know I never give money.
Oh, for crying out loud.
All I do is work hard for my 15 picking them and for my next wife. Why are you so jealous I don't
Jealous
know?
over who? You.
Listen, I'm coming home tonight.
No, you're not coming to my yard.
So you cook dinner for me?
I am not going to do that. Because you're not.
Matter of fact,
Bertram, let go of me. Let go of me. Bertram. Bertram. Bertram, you eat.
You cook.
Bertram, you eat.
You cook.
Jesus, me say if you eat. Fish.
Yes. Sushi style.
When you don't understand what I say?
Yes.
Me say me and Abraham in love.
Abraham?
Yeah, my man, we're in love.
The one in the Bible? Eh?
Mr. Bashment, you know who me attack. The man wanna call dog.
Don't call Mr. Bashment again. You hear me say? Don't call me Bashment again.
So,
listen me, from now you is my grand picnic. Me and your granny. Anybody ask you who you live with, your granny. Who you stay with, your granny. You hear me say? After all, how they ain't forgot there with boy who come from prison? Federal prison at that?
Don't talk about my man, say don't do it, don't do it.
Oh, Jesus. The girl face it. You know, say the girl out there. That girl me I talk to her. Eh? I mean I talk to her. What the boy I give? The boy everything for you? Him I give you money? Well, if I give you money, I can give more than that. You see this place here? Belongs to me. And if it belongs to me, it belongs to you.
Yeah.
You see all the money I have in the bank? Belongs to me. And if it belongs to me, it belongs to you.
Yeah.
If I dead tomorrow, you get everything.
You're dead.
Oh. So you want me dead? You learn this. Trevor and Juki is history. And when we say history, don't take it for mystery. Oh, you tell the boy, say, I'm here, Shebadda, what the business, huh?
I want something alone, I tell you.
Where tell him, say?
I tell him, say, Mr. Bashment take money.
So what? Precious Jesus, pray for she. Tell him, say what?
After that, I don't know. The man that is funny, I don't want to come like you.
I'm going to show you, say, me not run joke. You gonna say, wait, I don't run joke. Yeah, I'm after all, I came find two, I'm going to chop. Wait a second. Wait a second. What do you mean? Mr. Waiter.
Bash not food, man. Bash it. Bash it. Bash it. Bash it. Stop that. Bash it. Bash it, man. Bash it.
How are you? Are you afraid you have to go for your listen. You know what's the Babalita? I'll prefer when you're done. Do me a favor. No. Watch. Hey, who is this?
Babalita, what's your name, man? Let's go for a celebration.
Every friend is a good friend.
Hey, as we come a road, so we block a case. Remember the boy who broke the bar? But hold him and lock him up.
Yeah, say.
But he might get rid of him.
Why?
Me never possess the crime scene, it's up on my lunchtime.
Let me tell you something. You want me your life, you know. I never get a case of court spread the ban. Don't do it again here, I tell you. I build back my reputation. I don't want to watch you Simpson thing reach.
No man, no friend. Me have them boy that laugh. Trevor and after that, I forgot them.
You know what?
Who you know?
Half of that.
Lord Jesus.
I get evidence against when I'm crony. I know they are prison. Leave them boy there alone here, man. Them dangerous. Don't fight fire with fire.
Oh God, the big man afraid.
Afraid? What am I afraid for? I didn't call my name. I don't tell them something you're a liar. You hear me there? I feel more than I feel. Anyway, if some place nice, I can't carry my friend and brother for drink now. Whatever can I really cup of his mercy.
Yo, sit down.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Here, Ram, what you do? I'm not telling you somebody come down here with the foolishness, man.
Baby, step aside.
Mr.
Step aside!
No, God, the man says step aside. Step aside, that's not get licked. Step aside. Turn up here so just in case anything. Come here, man.
Abraham, I want to you, man.
What's your name? Ah, Jesus. Young boy, not them tell your name Abraham. Abraham Lincoln. 16th President of the United States. Took them through the Civil War. Oh, God. You know what I'm to him? Tell me you're a deportee. Come on.
You You know, that is a roundabout way of telling me you want to end up like the man who shot him.
I try to me boy, I try to me.
What, Chuck?
Oh, you mean I want to me? Hey, man, anything I reach you first. Get in line, brother.
Babalita, leave the bar.
I'm not going nowhere.
You know, the good thing about psychology is that you can never stop being who you are. So it is impossible for you to hide the fact that you're a corrupt officer.
Jesus, your man so intelligent. A bright man, you take that time, you whoa. Baba, you make it. But him go like him alone study Muslim. The dictionary. And ninja man. A man only powerful when you control the environment. Look on your something if you control nothing. And what do you do? You depend. Baba, there's some misery with one election, you have no government.
Abraham, come now, I'm ready.
Babalita, go sit in the car.
Abraham, we are going to for man.
Listen, don't question my instructions. Leave.
Hello? Sorry for the break in transmission. Baba, I look like a beating time. Where are you still taking Baba? Why you always find a man them for beat you? He put you to sleep and it wake you up. Why you creep up on me for your Smyrna face?
Listen, I am normally a cool dude, even when I'm angry. But guess what? I am in no mood to listen to the likes of a coward police officer who is so deep in corruption that he can't even think of arresting me. Your days are numbered, and the sooner you learn that, is the more days you might get.
Be careful. Can't buy back here, say. Can't buy back yourself. Come like when I love some name in a Star Green and Observer. Whatever money I have, me not get up to nobody. You could have come from New Mexico, New Jersey, or yeah.
Excuse me, mechanic.
Yo, sit down.
Because
you're guilty by association. I've been to prison. I've been deported. I've paid the price. So I'm here to collect what I paid for.
No, I've cooked fish for dinner, so I must go eat that fish.
Shut up! I'm not your bird, Chubby. This is that serious something I'm going to saw. When you come up here for man, you don't disturb people and throw them off. Make them lose their momentum. Instead of you sit down and you go your yard. Now get up again. Chuck, come here already back.
That dough, man. So just give me my shit and let sleeping dogs lie.
Give what?
Give me my shit!
I ain't having diarrhea.
My wife just took her back in the room and I'm going to let me go home and go. Come there, I beg you. At 15, pick me up enough, 15 of them. I'm sure them pregnant. We can't afford for them now. We can't afford for them. Let me live with the grandparents and go, alright? Alright, so me have one here, me have one in a minute. I'm going to same thing, I have one inside there.
Where you go?
Tiny.
Oh, Jesus, I think you did done in a man. Look here, me now switch on my answer like you, because my hand hurt me. So me I go beg you to come up some more so I rest my hand. Come, turn up. Give me your front. tired. We can't start this tomorrow again.
Yo, continue work tomorrow.
We can't continue. Man, me come to work tomorrow.
Yo, just run the money.
I'm going to tell you about your nose all. You know me don't like it. Don't skin it up. No. Me can't get some of my money. Please and thanks. Look how long me I keep it.
Give me the 12 million, you can keep the 0.5.
And when me I do the point after me not write a sentence. 50-50. And Bashment not get none. That's somebody full of worry or something. Think about it now, please me I beg you. Ting 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 ding 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 ding. Bang 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 dang 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 dong. At the dung party, give me the answer. They got Jeopardy here. Dung. Dung.
You know, that sounds like a damn good idea.
Oh God, what you say?
It sounds like a very good idea.
Thank you, Jesus, cause no bullet in this.
Not no share.
No, me not.
How who says so?